Paramashiva says, Paramatma and Paradevi and Parameshwara, all of them and more put together as Paramashiva, manifesting in each one of us as Paramashiva, as the beautiful space of Paramadvaita, as reality that happens in synergy. That is, means all the energy that something is triggered and simply it manifests as reality. And Bhagavan says how the breathing in, if we start, and simply the breathing out happens. If you throw a stone in a water, even a small stone, you can see the ripple effect happening in all over. If the synergy happens all over when we understand the higher cognition, they call it butterfly effect in the outer world. When something is triggered, something else happens in a higher reality. Bhagavan Paramashiva gives us that beautiful space by fixing the self and aiming at pure essence. The more and more we purify the inner space, the space of oneness with Paramashiva, the deep surrender, that understanding, the clear space that Paramashiva is the real and manifesting as Paramashiva as our reality. We are in the oneness with Paramashiva. Beautifully, how when Uddhava asked Krishna, and he asked, what should I do? And how should I be that you are leaving and how I can experience the oneness? You told me all this Uddhava Gita, but I want the essence. And Krishna says, very in a simple way, all that he says is, experience everything as Krishna. You will experience me as reality, the Parandama as reality, and simply manifest as powers. Beautifully, Uddhava, literally Uddhava has manifested. When Krishna was looking at the mirror, Uddhava happened as a form of Krishna. To that extent, even Gopikas many times got confused whether it is Krishna or Uddhava. He even looked dressed and all his character was just like Krishna. And he just lived as Krishna in thought, in word, in action. And all that Krishna said is look at everything, everyone as Krishna. When he surrendered that his identities that he carried and looked at everything as Krishna, he experienced the ultimate. As long as we have identities, we look at others in the identities they carry. That is how we recognize others' identity. But Paramashiva is only able to see in everybody as Paramashiva. When somebody asks Bhagwan, what are you seeing when you see the human beings in this Sabha? He said, I see everybody as frequency. And he sees only as immature frequency or graded frequency, but just as frequency, because he lives in a highest frequency. When Ramana Maharshi was asked, what does he see? Once he asked his disciple, showing a buffalo, what do you see? And the disciple, like all of us, answered, it is a buffalo. Ramana Maharshi literally got angry that said, no, that is not buffalo, that is Arunachala. And he saw only Arunachala. Like Bhagavan, today he is in Arunagiri Yogeshwara space, the highest vibrating space, and he can look at everybody as Arunagiri Yogeshwara as reality. When we connect to that beautiful space, deep nectar and completion and resonating with the highest frequency happen in each one of us, and that is the surrender space. Surrender space is experiencing the deep love, deep gratitude, deep oneness, understanding Paramashiva, who has come down as a guru, is the highest vibration. He is going to manifest my life. And I do not have to do anything inside. All I need to do is hold that as my identity. Simply, I will manifest all the powers of Paramashiva. It's like having the MasterCard as your card, and simply you will be led to go anywhere. You have the ultimate freedom to experience the ultimate reality. Bhagavan Paramashiva beautifully gives the Apta